Hello guys, it's me Sanjay here. Mom will welcome you all for this 30 days Generative AI Masterclass series day 1. And I hope you guys are super excited for this series. If you are really excited, just post super excited Sanjay in your live chat. And before going further, I really wanted to make sure my audio is clear and my screen is clear. If both this thing is clear, you just post all clear Sanjay in your live chat. So I hope you are really excited because first of all, before starting up the session, I would like to tell you something that you might have attended a lot of live sessions in your career, but the experience which you are going to get from this series is going to really blow your mind away because the way of giving real life examples and way of working on real hands-on project, which is going to be completely different from other traditional courses, because always people used to purchase some Udemy course or something and they won't complete it, not because of they are not capable of, because of the lecture might be boring, so that's why you might not have completed it. How many of you are really agree to this? If you are really agree to this, you just post agree Sanjay in your live chat. So that's what the thing, most of the time it will happen. So that's why we have did a very huge research on how to deliver a certain concept in a very easy and practical way. And if you are really excited to learn from that, you just post excited Sanjay in your live chat. So at the meanwhile, I would like to welcome the people out there. So here we have Real Ram, hi, and Velala Linga, hi, and Aritek, hi, and Puvital, hi, and Bhargavi, hi, Pyle, hi, and Bala Srivatsan, hi, and Dina, hi, and PB, hi, and Kavya, hi, and Antonius, hi, Ramanji, hi, and Balu, hi, and DM Tech Software Developer, hi, and Mohan Bold, hi, Sonali, hi, Aditi, hi, and Amisha, hi, and Chintu Reddy, hi, and Jagdishwaran, hi, and Zinat, hi, and Jitendra Agrawal, hi, and Jagdishwaran, hi. So hello everyone guys, thank you so much for coming. Yes, a lot of you are posting agree. And some people are calling me sir. Please don't call me sir guys, I'm your friendly mentor. You can just call me Sanjay. And this curriculum, this generative AI program, which is being hosted by two persons. One is me, Sanjay, another person is Preetham. I'll talk about him later. And first of all, I really wanted to start the session by telling you something. Whatever the stuff which you are learning, you should do it guys, okay? It might be anything. It might be learning artificial intelligence, or learning embedded system, or learning any resume building skill, or learning communication skills, anything. Whatever the stuff which you are learning, you should do it. Even today, if I've taught you something, especially on tomorrow, if I've taught you some project, how to build up the certain project using generative AI, and if you have watched that video, but if you haven't did that, if you haven't tried that, then definitely it is equals to 0. So that's why I really wanted to start the session with a code called knowing and not doing is equals to not knowing. I hope you really love this code. If you really love this code, you just post love this Sanjay in your live chat. So whatever stuff which you are learning a specific day, you should go and do it. So that will make your career to be really well, instead of just learning and passing by. Another very important thing, whenever people are attending this kind of live sessions, some kind of thoughts which is going to be running in the people's mind is, Sanjay, I don't know anything about this generative AI. Can I attend the session or not? Sanjay, I don't know anything about this programming. Can I attend the session or not? How many of you are really having these questions, guys? If you are really having these questions in your mind, you just post I have Sanjay in your live chat. And also questions like, Sanjay, I don't know, or I'm not aware about this AI parts. I'm not aware about machine learning or GAN kind of things. I don't know anything, Sanjay. Can I attend the session or not? Sanjay, I'm from different department, like non-computer science department, like mechanical, robotics, or electrical, electronics, or accounts, or commerce. Can I attend the session or not? So guys, for you all people, I have a happy news, which is this series don't require any prior knowledge. Are you all really happy about it? If you are really feeling happy about it, you just post super happy Sanjay in your chat. Yes, this series don't require any prior knowledge. This series is completely from the scratch. Even though you are a beginner, even though you don't know anything about anything, this series is for you. It is completely from the scratch. Another very important thing, in between, if you are getting any questions, you can hold all your questions. You can ask your questions at the end of the session. And another very important thing, you really need minimum 25 days of attendance is required to get the free participation certificate. Even though you have a 24 days of attendance, I'm really sorry to tell you, you won't get the certificate. So minimum 25 days of attendance is required to get the free participation certificate on Generative AI. So today attendance link will be given at any time in the live. So don't forget to fill up that form. If you are filling up the form only, your attendance will be recorded. So likewise, you need 25 days of attendance to get the free participation certificate on Generative AI 30 days masterclass. Another very important thing, today is our first day. I'm going to make every fundamental to be very strong. So that's why duration of the session is going to be around 2 hours. So those people, without telling any reasons, those people who are all staying connected with me for 2 hours, they are really special, right? For those people, for those people, what is it? For those people, I want to give something for free, right? So that's why for those people who are all going to stay till the end with me for 2 hours, I'm going to give one course which is worth of 1,499 absolutely free. Is it amazing? If it is really amazing, you just post amazing Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so those people who are all staying till the end, I'm going to give one course for free. So with no extra charges, that is like a free giveaway. So because those people, without telling any silly reasons, for 2 hours, if people are learning Generative AI, they are really special kind of people. For those people, I'm going to give that course for free. Even though at the live end there is going to be 100 people, I'm going to give that course for all the for 100 people. I'm going to give that course for free. Yes, Suchi posted amazing. That's amazing. That's great, guys. And also, how many of you people really want the recordings? Sanjay, 30 days you are conducting live. That's amazing. But if we are getting a recordings of it, we'll be happy, Sanjay. How many of you people are really on that kind of scenario, guys? If you are really feeling like Sanjay, if we are really getting some recordings, we'll be happy. Okay, if you want recordings, you just post I want it, Sanjay, in your live chat. So for those people who really want all the recording of all the 30 days Generative AI live classes and also all the source code, PPT, mind map material, I'm going to give a short announcement at 8 p.m. Through that announcement, you will be getting an opportunity to get the recording of complete 30 days. Okay, is it amazing? If you really want it, you just post I want it, Sanjay, in your live chat. And this is going to be our instructor. So I'm going to be our first day instructor, Sanjay. So I am a CDO of the company right now. I'm working with a lot of products, creating a real products for our company. And this is our Preetham. He is actually working on generative AI based application. So we are working in certain parts. So we are working together. So he'll be our instructor for the rest of the 29 days. But I'm going to be our first day instructor where I'm going to make the normal AI fundamental to be very strong, and then Preetham will be handing over, Preetham will be carrying over the rest of the generative AI part. And while talking about the disclaimer, those people who have already attended my AI session, you just post me, Sanjay, in your live chat. Else you just post no in your live chat. Because those people who have already attended my session, my day 1 session, today's session might be old for you because I'm going to make general AI concept to be very strong. So that's why the concept might be very easy, or you might have already know that. Okay, but other than that, those people who are all new to the series, don't worry. The series is going to completely value added, and it is going to really blow your mind away. Another very important thing while talking about from whom you are learning, that's a very important point every people should remember. Whenever we're talking about the company, this company is not just a coaching company who used to directly came to take classes and those things, who complete a degree and just came to conduct the courses and those things. No, it is actually a product-based company which is in the field of around 20 years. Yes, we have crossed the 20th year recently. So this is 20 years of product-based company which we are transferring those product-based knowledge to you through this Warriorsway coaching club. If you are really happy to learn from this type of coaching, 20 years of product-based company, you just post happy Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Or you are really feeling happy about to learn from this type of company. If you are really feeling happy about it, you just post happy in your live chat. And even in the e-learning platform, we are the company in the top in India in the e-learning platform. We are the company we used to have maximum review than any company you really know. You can go and check that out if you're going into the Google and check out the Pantech.AI Warriorsway Hub, where we used to have around 26,000 4.8 star review, which is higher than any company you really know. Go and check that out if you really want it. So that type of company you are currently attending right now, definitely it is going to be change your life around. And some of the project which I really wanted to show you, which is we actually have one tool called Growth Flow, which is for entrepreneurs. Okay, those people who are all running a business. For those people, this tool is the thing which is gonna be really helpful for doing a business. Okay, sales and marketing automations. So for those purpose, we have this tool. So if you are talking about the tool, you just imagine whenever you're talking about any company, the company want to give a customer support. If the company want to give a customer support, they want to put a lot of people like call centers to answer their customers. So that's why we are working on a certain project called Generative AI, powered by Generative AI, which is going to give a customer support by itself. Okay, is it amazing, guys? That's why I told you, you can't get this kind of live demo from anywhere else. So this is the first time you might be seeing this. Yes, definitely, I'm assured, I'm really aware about it. Yeah. So you just see, here we have made one document with question answer. So question answer. So likewise, we guys have made one document. So I'm going to copy this document and I'm going to feed this document to our Generative AI or this Growth Flow tool. So this tool, which is having a artificial intelligence or generative AI behind it, it will learn from the document. You can see when I given this URL, it is going to learn from this document, and once it got learned from the document, if the people who are all going to ask any questions in the sense what is AI internship or something, okay, whenever people are asking any type of question, it is going to give a reply. It is not like if else condition, if this question came, this is the answer. No, this answer even not exactly present in the document, it will rewrite it and it will give the reply. Is it awesome? If it is really awesome, guys, you just post awesome in your live chat, guys. Sorry, guys. So if I'm asking the next question, what is the validity? If whatever the questions if you are asking, it is going to automatically give the reply by itself. This is what the generative AI, the thing which you are building as a product. So that's why I'm telling you guys, you are not learning from just a coaching company, you are learning from a product based company who used to build the products. Whatever that they are teaching, you are really learning through by building as a real project. And also if you are checking out the generative AI courses, some company used to provide at 1 lakh rupee, some company used to provide at 2.35 lakh rupee. So that's why I try to understand the value of the 30-day generative AI masterclass, why it is very important. Even though it is longer, the reason you should stay till end this, because a lot of company charging more than lakh rupee, but here you are getting every day 7 PM, the live will be happening. But if you want a recording, there is some minimal charge you can upgrade to get the complete recordings. If you want the recording, stay connected with me until 8. I'll give you an announcement. So if you really love this if you are really feeling it is worthy to attend, you just post worthy Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Mohan Bolt posted awesome, C Reddy posted awesome, Suchi posted awesome, and Sonali posted awesome, Aditi and Ram, and that's amazing, guys. And Revati, good evening, sir. Please don't call me sir, you can call me Sanjay. Anyhow, good evening, Revati. Yes. Now, if you are ready for the technical part of the session, just post ready with fire emoji in the live chat, guys. Are you guys ready for the technical part of the session? So if you are ready for the technical part of the session, just post ready with fire emoji in the live chat. The first thing, yes, because when we are talking about the generative AI, we can't able to skip the AI part. So that's why first we'll talk about the artificial intelligence. Slowly we'll move further. So those people who already know what is meant by machine learning, what is meant by deep learning, don't overtake me and don't post the message like why you are teaching the basic stuffs. I know all these things. Likewise, don't put those messages, because we are not conducting the classes only for the toppers or only for the people who already know about what is meant by generative AI. We need to cover the people who are completely from the scratch, even though they don't know anything. This series is going to be completely beginner friendly to the advanced level. So that's why even though you know something, try to come up with me and you will be learning from the scratch, guys. Okay. So I hope you all really feeling happy about it. So while talking about the first thing, artificial intelligence, you might have watched a lot of AI based movies so far in your career, or sorry, in your journey, in your life. You just tell me what are all the AI based movies you guys have watched so far, guys. Because here I would like to show you one movie clip. Here Rajini sir is creating one robot, and while creating a robot, whatever the skill that robot really wants, because AI is not just a robot, it can be a computer, it can be a robot, it can be a machine, it can be anything. But if you wanted to make something intelligent through this AI or something, where first you need to collect all the information in the format of data. You can see here for that robot, it really wants that language skills, martial arts, advanced mathematics, music, science, sports. So everything, it is really looking like a hard disk. Yes, it is nothing but a hard disk. So whenever you are creating a robot or whenever you are making something intelligent, even for an example, you just imagine Ram is here. If Ram want to create some robot or machine which is need to be intelligent like him, so first of all, Ram want to collect all the information in the format of data, all the skills in the format of data, all the knowledge, all the experience in the format of data. So that data need to be given to the robot, and that robot is going to learn from the data, and that robot is going to perform. That is what AI is. Are you clear about AI, guys? If you are clear about AI, you just post clear AI in your live chat. Okay. So again, I am repeating. Whenever we are talking about artificial intelligence, it can be done with the help of by transferring our knowledge or our experience to a machine in the format of data. From the data, that robot is going to learn, that robot is going to perform. That is what AI is. But the second part of the movie is not right. What is the thing is, simply by connecting 10 hard disk, don't expect your robot will learn everything. It's not possible right now. Because you just imagine, what if your data is really looking like this, guys? Okay, isn't it funny? If it is really funny, you just post funny in your live chat. Yes, because it has two classes. One is dog's face, another one is cupcake with berry. Okay, even as a human being, we are getting a confusion, right? This is a cake, dog, cake, dog, cake, dog, cake, dog, cake, dog, cake, dog. Yeah. So even it is confusing for us. So that's why I'm telling you, whenever you are talking about simply by providing a data, your robot can't learn. Okay, your robot can't learn. And also, if you are really comparing with the human being are used to have one common ability. You just imagine, now the time is 7:26, but you don't have anything to eat in your kitchen. Suddenly, if your neighborhood is cooking something delicious like gulab jamun or something, you will identify that smell. You will analyze that smell and you will identify what that dish is, and you will make the decision, right? Even if I'm going to close your eyes and if I'm going to put one scoop of butterscotch ice cream in your mouth, you will identify it as a butterscotch. So, it can be a vision, it can be listening, it can be a smell, it can be a taste, it can be anything. Human can analyze that, human can identify pattern in it, and human can make a decision. So if you want to feed this ability to a robot, that can be done with the help of machine learning or deep learning. So guys, are you clear about ML and DL? If you are clear about ML DL, you just post clear ML DL in your lecture, guys. Again, I am repeating, if you want to make something intelligent, you need to collect all the experience, all the knowledge in the format of data. From the data, that robot is going to learn, that robot is going to perform or solve a certain problem. That is known as AI. Whereas simply by providing a data, your robot can't learn. So by using machine learning or deep learning, you can teach that to analyzing the data, identifying the pattern in the data, and making a decision from the data. So that can be done with the help of machine learning or deep learning. So if you are clear about all these three things, if you just post clear all Sanjay in your live chat, guys, or I'll just post all clear in your live chat. Just give your comments in the live chat, guys. I really wanted to satisfy all the people present here. Just give your comments in the live chat. Okay, so now I don't want to just bore you by giving you a content. I wanted to deliver the project with a deliver the content with the projects. So that's why I really wanted to show you the first demo. So guys, in your childhood, did you guys have played a snake game? Okay, how many of you people have really played a snake game? So if you have played a snake game, you just post yes on Generative chat. So that's what the same thing. So here I would like to show you Python manual snake game. So this is this game which I am going to play by myself. Okay, yes, I am playing it with the help of my keyboard, guys. Okay, so I hope you know the rules and regulations, right? So you are gonna be the snake in this game, and you need to drive it. And whenever you are eating a food, so snake is going to grow, and whenever it is colliding with its own body, or whenever it is colliding with a wall, the game is got over. That's what the game which you have know, right? Same thing which you can make AI to play this game. Let me show a final demo. It is not a manual game. It is played by artificial intelligence. Guys, is it mind-blowing? Even if you don't believe me, let me increase the speed. I can't play this much faster. This game is being played by artificial intelligence. If it is really mind-blowing, you just post mind-blowing Sanjay in chat. Let me restart the game. Let me click R. Ta-da! You can see within 4 to 5 seconds it completed the game. Let me restart again. Okay, it completed the game. Let me reduce the speed of the snake's movement. You can see how much slow it is. But whenever I increase the snake's movement speed, it completed the game. This is what the demo which I really want to show you how ML or DL can be used. Okay, whenever it is a numerical value, we can use ML or DL to make something that kind of thing intelligent by feeding those knowledge. If it is really mind-blowing, guys, you just post mind-blowing Sanjay in your live chat. So with the help of the machine learning, we guys have made that AI snake game. And also, if you really want this source code and if you really want this everything, so sharply at 8 p.m. I'll have an announcement to get the recordings of it ready for it. And also, very important thing while talking about the artificial intelligence itself, now we guys have already seen that definition of AI and those things, right? But apart from it, just remember one thing. Whenever your project contains just the numerical data, numerical means numbers, you know, right? So whenever you are working on some numbers, now numerical data, you can just use machine learning or deep learning. Are you clear? That's the point number one. So whenever machine learning or whenever numerical data in your project, like snake game means, it is also numbers. Okay, whenever you are working in just a numbers based projects, number based data, then you can use only machine learning or deep learning is enough. But other than that, whenever in your project you have text or audio kind of projects or a text or audio kind of data, for an example, ChatGPT. You are using ChatGPT, right? Whenever you are using ChatGPT, sorry guys. So whenever you are using ChatGPT, I'm not feeling well, guys. Sometimes I might cough. I'm really sorry about that. If it is discomforting you, I'm really sorry. But other than that, I will give you 100% of my the value and the content. Okay, don't worry about it. So while talking about the data and concept, text or audio, you just imagine in the ChatGPT, here you are writing a text. So in that project, text is involved. Okay, voice assistants like Google Assistants or Amazon Alexa, where you are giving a voice. So where voice is involved, which is mean audio is involved. So whenever numerical data is involved, only machine learning and deep learning is enough. Whenever text or audio data is involved, with the machine learning or deep learning, NLP is being used. Are you clear, guys? So are you clear about NLP? If you are clear about NLP, you just post clear NLP in your live chat. Okay? Numerical data, if the numerical data is just involved, machine learning or deep learning is going to be used. And whenever text or audio data involved in your project, with the ML and DL, with the machine learning and deep learning, natural language processing has been used. That's amazing, guys. Lot of posting clear NLP, clear NLP. That's great. And finally, we have image or video data. Whenever you have a project where image or video involved in your project, then you'll be using computer vision with a machine learning or deep learning. So guys, within a few minutes, we guys have got a clear understanding about when we need to choose which one. For an example, if it is just a numerical project, like house price prediction, land price prediction, or that kind of project, you will be using machine learning and deep learning. That's it. That only machine learning and deep learning is enough. But in your project, whenever text or audio is involved, like ChatGPT kind of large language models or voice assistants, or Gmail is automatically identifying this is a spam message, this is the promotion message, right? So that kind of text processing or audio processing with ML and DL, NLP is being used. Whereas if you are working with the images, sorry guys. So whenever you are working with the images, while talking about the images, let me show you this is an autonomous car. So while talking about an autonomous car, it need to drive the car by itself without the driver. So it need to detect the road sign like stop, it should detect the road lane, and it should detect the nearby vehicles, and it should detect the traffic light, you know. So whenever you are working with the image or video related projects, with the machine learning or deep learning, computer vision is being used. So guys, are you satisfied up to now? If you are satisfied, you just post super satisfied in your live chat, guys. Are you guys all satisfied? If you are satisfied, you just post satisfied in your live chat. Okay. So now, why talking about this traditional AI versus generative AI and those things? First thing you should remember is, as I've already told you, whenever you are working with any project, you need to have the data in your hand. So then only you can able to start proceeding with the project. You just imagine, if I am going to do Indian currency recognition, oh my god, thank you so much, super satisfied, mind blowing, super satisfied, that's, thank you so much guys, thank you so much for all the comments guys, thank you so much. Now let me show you a simple demo. Whenever you are working with the AI, the first thing which you should do is collect the data. Okay, so you should collect the data. So while talking about that, now we are going to work on the gathering the data. Let me do it. So before that, wait a minute. Let me check out the audio, guys. Wait a minute. Okay, I think now it is good. It seems. Okay, if my audio is clear right now, you just post clear Sanjay in your lecture, guys. So now what we are going to do is, the first step is to gather a data. You just imagine, if I'm going to do a Indian currency recognition project, Indian currency, right? Like whenever I'm showing 100 rupees, it should detect it with the help of the computer vision, because image or video involved in your project. So while talking about the data set, ta-da, this is what my data set. Okay, so guys, can you able to understand what is mean by data collection? If I'm going to do a Indian currency recognition, so this is how I collected the images. Don't think why 2000 is not there. On the time I don't have 2000. So that's why I just collected the database for this currencies. 10 rupee and 20 rupee and 50 rupee and 100 and 500. So this is what the thing. So whenever you are collecting a data for this as a project, this currency recognition is one of the sample project. For this sample project, I have collected this kind of images. Can you see that? 100 rupees, 50 rupees, backside picture, and this has been holded in my hand, and this is backside of the currency, and this is a front side of 20 rupees, and which has been holded by hand, and the 10 rupees backside. So like, and also you can see 500 rupees which is half folded. So this is the way you need to collect the data. So guys, are you clear about the step number 1? If you are clear about the step number 1, you just post C1 in your chat. So whenever you are working in a certain images, whenever you are working in an AI project, It can be any type of project. It can be a text-based project, audio-based project, image-based project, or numbers-based project, anything. But what is your first step is to collect the data. Okay, look at that, how much variation of images I've collected. So this is going to be our first step. Once the data has been collected, then you need to prepare it. Prepare in the sense like cleaning the data, if there is any problem in the data, if there is any missing value in the data, if that image is in a very poor quality. So likewise, whenever you are facing any problem with the data, you need to prepare it. You need to convert dirty data into a clean data. Once you have prepared the data, then it's time to choose a model. Guys, you just tell me, now I'm going to work on a text-based project. You just tell me, will I use computer vision or NLP? Machine learning or deep learning is going to be common, guys. As I've already told you, whenever analyze something, identify pattern, make a decision, machine learning or deep learning is going to be there. But other than that, now, oh my God, Bhargavi given the first great answer before even I'm completing this question. Exactly, the answer is NLP, because whenever the text or audio is involved in your project, NLP is going to be used with ML and DL. So that's a great answer. Bhargavi and Pramodini and Aditi, 3 people have given a great answer at first. That's really a great thing, guys. It's really showing that you are really learning in a very greater way. That's amazing. Choosing a model. So you need to choose algorithms or model for the projects. That's what the third step. And then you need to train a model. So while talking about the training, once you have collected all the data, right? All the data which is already been prepared, and once you have chosen a model, you need to pass all the data for training purposes. So once it got trained, we need to evaluate. Evaluate in the sense, what is the accuracy of the model? What is the loss of the model? So likewise, we can evaluate the model which has been trained. And if it is not good at accuracy, for an example, if you have got only a 80% accuracy, so you need to tune some of the parameter to get the better output, to then finally it is going to be moving for the prediction. So guys, are you clear about the steps? If you are clear about the steps, you just post clear Sanjay in your live chat. First, gather a data and then prepare a data and choosing a model or algorithm and train the data and model which you have chosen and evaluate to find out the performance of the model, accuracy, loss, sensitivity kind of performance you need to monitor. And then you need to tune some of the parameter to get the better performance. And once you have got the better accuracy like 99 or 98%, then it has been moved to the final prediction. So that's what is all about the steps, guys. I hope you really understood the flow, how you should approach the project. If you clearly understood this, you just post clear Sanjay in your chat. Pinky, Rahul, yes, Pramodini, Parimala, that's amazing. Thank you so much for posting satisfied. So now, while talking about this, 2 things. The normal AI and traditional AI. While talking about the normal AI, it is been specifically focusing on some certain type of applications or projects. For an example, I would like to show you this. You can see this is Indian currency recognition. What does mean by currency recognition? It's very simple. Detecting 50 rupees, detecting 20 rupees, detecting 500 rupees. That's what the currency is. Currency recognition are. So detecting whether it is 50 or 20 or 500 or 100. So that kind of classification is also coming under the normal artificial intelligence. It is not generative AI. And even if you are talking about, COVID-19 detection, whether people have a COVID or not, based on the medical image analysis, we can work on this project as well. Wait a minute. Do you want to see the output, guys? If you want to see the demo output, you just post wanted Sanjay in your live chat. So wait a minute, let me show you. Python space main.py. Oh my god, okay, a lot of people are posting wanted. So this is what medical image. So here also we will be predicting whether person is having COVID or not by using a medical image. Let me show you. I'm going to choose a normal medical image like this, and whenever I'm clicking classify, tada, we got an output like normal. So guys, do you really love this demo? If you really love this, you just post love this and join your live chat. If I'm selecting certain like COVID lung medical image, if I'm click classify, it really detected as like a COVID. So that's what the thing. And even emotion recognition. So while talking about emotion recognition, detecting the emotions like happy, sad or neutral. So that kind of emotion recognition has also been done. That is also normal artificial intelligence. And leaf diseases. While talking about the leaf diseases, here we have lot type of leaf first: apple, corn, grape, tomato, potato, kind of lot of leaves out there, and diseases like cercospora, late blight, dark blight, early blight, bacterial spot. So that is also under the normal artificial intelligence. And even social distance reduction, like person reduction needed to do, and then need to measure the distance, that is also under the normal artificial intelligence. And apart from that, like using the machine learning techniques for predicting the house price. Okay, what is the future house price is gonna be? So that is what that is what is also under the normal artificial intelligence. Okay, so what are all under the category of artificial intelligence, guys? Normal artificial intelligence. First thing, classification. This or that means, example, cat or dog. Positive or negative. Positive or negative or neutral. Happy, sad or angry. Lion versus giraffe. Fake news or real news. Spam message or not spam messages. So that is what classification. And point number 2, regression. Regression in the sense predicting the future stock price. What is gonna be the 2025's stock price? What is gonna be the currency's value at future? What is gonna be the land price in the future? That is what regression. And number 3, which is like clustering in the sense, if you are having an account in any banking sector, say banking like SBI or Canada or ICICI or HDFC or anything, they will be analyzing each and every customer's salary and spending pattern, and they can able to easily group the people in a 4 category. Category number 1, low income, low spend. Category number 2, low income, high spend. Category number 3, high income, low spend. Category number 4, high income, high spend. So likewise, we can able to categorize the people based on the spending pattern. That's what the clustering or grouping is all about. So these are all under the category of normal AI. Are you clear about this? If you are clear about the normal traditional AI, you just post clear AI in your live chat. That's what the normal traditional AI is all about. And while talking about these techniques, only machine learning and deep learning is going to be much popular on it. Okay, up to now, are you clear, guys? If you are clear, just give your comments in the live chat. So, on talking about that, the first thing which we are discussing about the machine learning. And even in talking about the machine learning, there are 3 important categories which you should know. Because as we have already learned that your robot can't simply learn by providing a data. So it want to analyze the data, and it want to identify the pattern in the data, and it want to make the decision from the data. That is what can be done with the help of this machine learning and deep learning. Okay, so to do that, here we have 3 techniques. One is supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement, guys. All people just imagine a baby. That baby know how to read. Okay, just imagine guys, it's an imaginary story. That baby know how to read, but it don't know any fruits like apple, banana, nothing. So while talking about the first technique, which is called as supervised learning, what does mean by that is, before teaching itself, we need to give a proper data label. For an example, we'll take two baskets. One basket I'll write as like an apple, another basket I'll write as like a banana. That two basket will be given to a baby. So that apple basket is going to be filled by apples and banana basket is going to be filled by all the bananas. So guys, you just tell me what are all the ways you will identify it is a apple and it is a banana? By its features, right? Feature in the sense, red color means apple, I mean the color and shape and taste. This is what the feature is all about. So while talking about the supervised learning, you need to label the data before giving it to it. So one basket which is full of apple, which is written as apple, and another basket is written as banana, and that is going to be filled by bananas. So baby will pick up one by one object from that basket and it will learn. That is what supervised learning is. Okay, are you clear about sorry guys, are you clear about supervised learning? If you are clear about supervised learning, you just post clear SL in your lecture guys. Supervised learning. So before even giving a data, your robot, before you are giving a data, that data should be labeled. So that's what supervised learning is. So while talking about unsupervised learning, instead of taking a two basket, now you will be taking only one basket. That one basket is going to be filled by apple and banana, which is completely shuffled. The baby don't know whether it is apple or banana, but by comparing one versus another, it will identify this is categorized into first group, this is categorized into second group. So likewise, it will make the decision by itself. So that is what unsupervised learning, guys. Are you clear about unsupervised learning? If you are clear about unsupervised learning, you just post US in your live chat. Unsupervised learning. Or you just post UL in your live chat. So that's what is all about, these two things. These two things is very, very important, which every people should know. Supervised learning is a labeled data where before giving a data itself, the data should be labeled, and unsupervised learning means the data should be unlabeled. So that's what unsupervised learning is all about. Okay. So now, while talking about the reinforcement learning, I hope you all heard about, or you guys have watched the Tom and Jerry cartoons. If you have watched the Tom and Jerry cartoons, you guys tell me each and every day when Jerry is coming out from the small tiny hole, what he will try to eat. Just give your comments in the live chat. Okay, what it will try to eat. Just all give your comments in the lecture, guys. Okay, just give your comments in the live chat. Let us see who is gonna give a right answers. Yes, exactly. Aditi given exactly as like a cheese. That's amazing. So that's what it's all about. Okay. So while talking about the cheese, actually what the Jerry will do is, every day Jerry, which is coming out from the small tiny hole, it will observe where the cheese is and where the hell Tom is. So that's what the first observation it will do. So observing an environment, and once it observes the environment, if it will do some action. Action is in the sense like walking or jumping or running. You know, whenever the action is positive, then that is going to get the reward, like it is going to get the cheese. But whenever it is going to make a mistake, like if it accidentally stamps Tom's tail, then it is going to be biggest disaster for the Jerry, right? So whenever it did that, then that is said to be like punishment. So yes, it will get a punishment. So that is what reinforcement learning, guys. Okay, even today you have seen that snake game, right? That snake game which has been done with the help of this reinforcement learning. So what is the step? Observing an environment, making an action, If the action is positive, get the reward. If the action is negative, get the punishment. That is what reinforcement learning is. So guys, are you clear about all three? Guys, and also very importantly, today attendance link will be given in the through the mail. Okay, I will tell you when the email will be sent. So on the time, you all should open your email and check your fill up your attendance form. So don't forget to fill up the attendance form. And few minutes, I'm going to give you an opportunity to get the recording. So be ready for it. So that is what machine learning is all about. If you are clear about ML, guys, you just post clear ML in your live chat. Sorry guys, are you clear about ML? If you are clear about ML, and also, how many of people are really enjoying the session? Do you really love the real life examples which I'm telling you? If you're really loving it, if you're really enjoying the session, you just all give your comments in the live chat. Okay, how the session is going on? So supervised learning is a labeled data, unsupervised learning is unlabeled data, and reinforcement learning where it will observe the environment and it will do the action. If the action is positive, it is going to get the reward. It is going to, if the action is negative, then it is going to get the punishment. That is what the reinforcement learning is all about. Love the session, enjoying. That's amazing, guys. And also, this video will be deleted from the YouTube, guys, once the session is completed. So don't think like this video will be there, I can come after and watch it again. No, this video will be deleted very soon. So stay connected with me. I'll give you an announcement to get the recordings of it. So this is what the overall ideology about the machine learning, guys. Don't worry, I'll give you we are going to do some project as well, so be excited. So this series is being segregated into two today. First part is the clarity session where you'll be getting a complete clarity about it. And second part of the session is the hands-on where we are going to do a project about it. And people who want those things as well, so stay connected with me to get that. So while talking about the deep learning, so actually guys, deep learning is inspired based on how human brain is working. Whenever we are tasting something, how our human brain is processing it and how it is making the decision. That is how the deep learning is being created. So while talking about the brain, we have millions and millions of neurons. So this is how biological neuron will looks like, which has dendrites, which has cell body, which has axon, which has synapse. This is what the biological neuron will looks like. So it will take an input from your sensory organ like tongue, ear, nose, mouth, and then it will be making a decision what the input is. So that's what the biological neuron will be looking like. So based on this neuron, based on this biological neuron, the computer algorithm which has been created, that is known as deep learning. So guys, are you clear about deep learning? If you are clear about DL, you just post clear DL in your live chat. And while talking about the deep learning, which has also been called as a neural network. Neural network is this. This is the sample of neural network. And here you can see the structure where it is having 3 red colored circles, 4 blue color circles and 2 green color circles. All remember, these circles are neurons. So I hope you know what the neuron will do. It will take an input and it will perform some mathematical operation and it will give us an output. That's what the first thing you should remember right now, for now. Okay. Later I will explain it detailedly. But now you just imagine neuron is going to get an input and it is going to process something, mathematical operation, and it is going to give an output. That's what the neuron will do. So while talking about this neural network, these group of things which has been called as a layers. I mean, red are called as input layer, and blue are called as a hidden layer, and green are going to be called as a output layer. So red color, which is known as input layer, which is responsible for getting an input and passing into the next layer. That's what input layer will do. Whereas hidden layer, which is responsible for extracting the features. Very important thing. Whenever you are giving a dog image, by analyzing the dog's tail and dog's face, dog's nose, it will extract the features. Whether color is going to play a role or whether shape is going to play a role. So that's what the very important difference between ML and DL, guys. ML, while talking about the machine learning, you need to specify the features. So it requires a less amount of data. But whenever you are talking about the deep learning, you no need to specify any feature. But if you are giving a huge amount of data, it will automatically analyze and it will identify the pattern and it will make the decision. That's what the deep learning, guys. Are you clear? Because today I have shown you that currency recognition. In this currency recognition project, I am not telling if it is blue, it is 100 rupee. If it is gray, if it is green or something, it is 20 rupee. If it is brown, it is 10 rupee. No, I am not telling that. So deep learning will automatically extract the feature by itself through the hidden layers. So guys, are you clear? If you are super clear, you just post super clear Sanjay in your lecture, guys. So that's what the layers are all about. While talking about the layer, input layer, hidden layer, output layer. Input layer, which is responsible for getting an input and passing it to the next layer. And hidden layer, which is responsible for extracting the features. And finally, output layer, which is very important to make the decisions like whether it is a dog or cat, whether it is a positive or negative or neutral. So if it is a dog cat classification, the first neuron will be for dog and second neuron will be for cat. If the first neuron is activated, then that is dog, and if the second neuron is activated, that is cat. Okay, do you really love this, guys? And then here we have weights. Weights are nothing but the lines which is present in between one layer versus another layer. That is what is all about the weights. So this is what the deep neural networks, guys. Guys, are you all satisfied up to this 1 hour? Okay, we are jumping on to the hands-on right now. But before that, I really wanted to hear satisfied in all the people, from all the people who are present here, guys. Okay, just give your comments in the live chat. Are you guys all satisfied? If you are all satisfied for this 1 hour, yes, do you realize now the time is 8:01? You just tell me how my teaching methodology is and how our real life example is. I know it doesn't gone for the hands-on, it gone theoretical, but now we are jumping on to the hands-on, guys. But before that, I wanted your feedback. So if you are really satisfied, just give your comments in the live chat. So guys, yes, we are going to cover this deep learning part and all very soon. Now, all people, just remember one thing. You just tell me which department are you from, guys. Because you might be from any department. Always, all people, just remember one thing. Your goal wanted to create an end-to-end product. Don't focus on your department. Why I am telling that is because nowadays even 10th standard school syllabus are updated to artificial intelligence. Do you know that? They are learning NLP, computer vision, deep learning, inside that CNN. They are learning these things. 10th standard and 9th standard school syllabus as that. So that's why even though you are from any department, don't try to restrict yourself onto your department. Instead, try to learn artificial intelligence and combine with your department. As a solid proof, I want to show you this. This is what actually an electrical project. You can see this is actually electrical, which is having an electrical appliances and transformers and signal conditioning circuit. Even though it is an electrical, we guys are combined artificial intelligence in it, guys. Is it amazing? Yes. Artificial intelligence will make the decision whether this load is consuming high power or low power or high risky. That decision has been made by artificial intelligence here. And also another AI where it is got combined with a robotics. This is the self-driving robot. Whenever the robot is left in the floor, it will automatically analyze the environment and it will drive by itself. Is it again mind-blowing? Look at that, this robot will automatically analyze the environment and it is making a decision by itself. So this is what another project which I really want to show you guys. That's what I told you. This is not a normal company who used to what is it, taking you the theory courses. We used to do everything in practical way. And even another project which I wanted to show is this one. Here we have deployed deep learning, which is a human for a robot. Whenever if you let the robot at the floor, whenever you are walking, this robot is going to follow you, which is a human for a robot. For here also we have deployed artificial intelligence. Is it mind blowing? If it is really mind blowing, guys, you just post mind blowing Sanjay in live chat. So that's why don't just try to stick on to your department, try to combine AI into your department and do some project which will guarantee your job. But what is the sad thing is, now 9th standard and 10th standard students are learning computer vision, NLP, CNN, and evaluating ML algorithm and supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement learning. But still now people who have got graduated, people who are already searching for the job, they are not knowing about this. If you agree to this, you just post agree in your live chat. And also some bachelor's degree be in AI and data science also, they are simply learning traditional AI. But world already moved towards that generative AI, but still people are not aware. So that's why it is a very sad thing. Already world moving towards the generative AI, but still people are not even aware about NLP, NLTK, a bag of words, text to normalization, computer vision, and evaluation techniques like confusion matrix, accuracy score, precision, sensitivity. People are not aware about still. If you also don't know these topics, guys, you just post no Sanjay in your live chat. So that's why for you people who really wanted to learn effective artificial intelligence and generative AI effectively, we are providing 3-month generative AI online internship program. In that 3-month online internship program with a lifetime validity, don't worry, you don't want to complete within a 3 month, but it is a lifetime validity. But for this 3-month online on generative AI internship, where it is gonna have 5 bundle. The first bundle is a generative AI masterclass bundle, which is a 30 hours of bundle, where you will get to know about everything which is must known on the generative AI concept, especially on RAG, NLP, generative AI concepts, other concepts on especially on CNN, RNN, GAN, DC GAN, VAE. So likewise, Hugging Face and prompt engineering. So everything you will be learning on from this first bundle, where you will get the complete video recording, PPT, mind map, source code, assignment and task, internship, EA certificates, and everything you will be getting from this bundle. And second bundle is a Git and then GitHub bundle. If you want to get the job in MNCs, you should know this Git and then GitHub is very important version control, which is going to be helpful for creating a CI/CD pipelines. With the help of that, you can able to manage the machine learning project effectively. This is what the second bundle which you'll be getting, which has been available before 10th of the September. And third bundle, which is a Streamlit bundle. I've already told you, you are not learning from a company who used to just teaching the courses. No, you are learning from a product-based company. So through this Streamlit platform, you will create this product, guys. You can create this kind of products, real, fully functioning product. Even this product has been created by Preetham, your instructor. So this is this kind of fully functioning front end with AI product which you can able to create with the help of Streamlit. This is what the third course you will get. And fourth course you will be getting is a Docker course. It's not Docker C, it is a Docker course, where you'll be learning to deploy the application by containerizing it. So that's what the fourth course you'll be getting it. And also fifth course you'll be getting is a AWS. AWS is not a fully course. It's like how to deploy the final project or final tool in the AWS kind of cloud platform. So once you have completed this 5 courses, your job is going to be there, guys, because your resume is going to be standing out of the crowd where you will build real products and you have launched it with the AWS. If you are interested in all 5, you just post interested Sanjay in your live chat. So totally 5 course bundle you will get. The first course bundle is the 30 days generative AI bundle. And second crash course is a Git and then GitHub bundle. And third course bundle is a Streamlit bundle. And fourth bundle is a Docker bundle. And fifth bundle is a AWS bundle. So likewise, you will get all the 5 bundle, and for all the 5 bundle, you will get 5 individual internship certificate. Like you will be getting a Generative AI internship certificate, Git and GitHub internship certificate, Streamlit internship certificate, Docker for containerizing internship certificate, and AWS for deploying ML application internship certificate. And also, you will be receiving an offer letter, guys. How many of you will really want an offer letter? If you want an offer letter, you just post I want it in your live chat. So yes, this is a personalized internship offer letter. Dear, your name will be printed. Start date and then end date will be mentioned. The company branding will be there. So official company founder signature will be there and seal will be there. This personalized internship offer letter also will be getting absolutely free. And also will be receiving a 6th certificate called 3-month internship certificate. This is also going to be free. So if you are really summing it up, all the 5 courses video recording with a lifetime validity, all the 5 courses PPT, PDF, source code and all repository, and 5 individual internship certificate, and 3-month internship offer letter and 3-month internship certificate, all the value, if you are really summing it up, the total value will be around 25,000. But those people who are all registering within a 90 minute, you are going to get this huge bundle just at the rupees of 999 with a lifetime validity, guys. If you are really believing this an awesome offer, you just post AO in your live chat. Amazing offer. And now, some people will be posting a message like, Sanjay, you told it was free, but then now you are asking me money. Guys, 7 p.m. live will be conducted as per the commitment. But other than that, those people who don't want to miss out any day, those people who don't want to fill up an attendance form daily, those people who don't want to get only a participation certificate, but those people who really want to get an offer letter, those people who want to get not only this 30 days recordings, additional 4 courses recording, those people who want the 6 internship certificates, those people who want the lifetime validity courses, this offer is for you. And also, if you really wanted to compare with any company you really want, go and compare. I'm giving you an open challenge. So here you can go and check out this Pantech.AI Warriorsway hub. So what I'm going to do is I'll be starting down the countdown timer for 90 minutes. Those people who really want this huge bundle, this is the right time to get. My team will be giving you the link in the live chat. You can click that link and register for the 3-month online internship on Generative AI with a lifetime validity with an offer letter. Those people who are registering right now, you will be receiving an offer letter on tomorrow itself. Yes, lot of people have posted awesome offer. Suchi, Isha, and DN Tech and PB, lot of people have posted awesome offer. My team have given the link in the live chat already, guys. Click that link and register for it right now before the timer ends. Now, if you are ready for the machine learning session or machine learning hands-on session, just post ready Sanjay in your live chat. This is the hands-on session, guys. So this hands-on session on normal traditional AI, guys. So if you are ready for it, you just post ready Sanjay in your live chat. Okay. So my team will be sharing you this link in the live chat, collab.research.google.com. So all people just visit this page. Okay, all people visit this page. And also those people who are all staying till the end, my team will be giving you the source code as well if you really want it. You can check this out only for day 1. Because and another very important thing, once this session is being completed, this video will be deleted, guys, because this is a very core value which we are providing, so we can't provide everything for free. So those people who want a recording, you need to subscribe for the internship to get everything. So yes, ready Sanjay, that's amazing, guys. So first of all, while talking about this sorry guys, so while talking about this, here we have this house price prediction using linear regression, data number 2 data set. This is what the file which I have. So what I'm going to do is, here I have one source code. From this source code, we are going to predict the house price. First, let me teach you how this will work. Are you ready? Are you ready, guys? Okay, now you just imagine this is one of the machine learning project. So how it is predicting the future. So that's what which I'm going to teach you by comparing with one real life project or one example. Okay, how the machine learning works. It is not a generative AI, guys. It is a normal traditional AI. So day one, which is going to be on traditional AI, from day two, it is going to be jumping onto the hands-on. So be ready for it on the generative AI. So now you just imagine this is what the data which I have based on the level, I mean employee level. Here we have a salary. So this is what the data set which I have. Okay, column number 1 is 11 and column number 2 is a salary. Whenever the person level is 1, they used to get 45,000 salary. Whenever the level is 5, they used to get 1.1 lakh as a salary. And whenever the level is 9, they used to get 5 lakh as a salary. So this is what the data set which I have. Okay, this is dummy data, guys. You can also create it in your own way. So I've created it and it is in the format of like .csv file, which is comma separated value. Now let me teach you how this algorithm will work. Are you ready? So just imagine whenever you have got the data, what is the first thing your algorithm will do is, wait a minute. Okay. So what is the first step is, it's going to draw the graph. Okay. So drawing a graph, which is like x-axis and y-axis. And here first x-axis is going to be your level. Okay. So x-axis, which is going to be your level. And y-axis, which is going to be your salary. So guys, now I'm really teaching you how the ML algorithm is working. Okay, so that's what the thing. The session is too informative, sir. That's amazing. Thank you so much, Chintu Reddy, for posting awesome comment. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. So now, what is the first step is, it is going to plot this data point. 1, 45,000, 2, 50,000. 3, 60,000. So likewise, this data needed to be plotted in the graph. So 1, 45,000. So let us consider this is 1, 45,000. So one data point has been plotted. Let me change the color. So 1, 45,000, 2, 50,000. Okay. Okay, 3, 60,000, 3, 60,000. So likewise, all the data point is gonna be plotted like this. Guys, I'm really sorry about my drawing. Okay, if the drawing is very bad, please adjust it for me. Okay, other than that, I hope you really love this teaching methodology. If you are really enjoying this, you just post I'm enjoying Sanjay Neela chat. And within a few minutes, my team will be giving you an attendance link as well. So don't forget to fill up an attendance form. Once this live has been ended, this video will be deleted from this YouTube channel. So don't forget it. So this is how the data point has been plotted. Once this data point has been plotted, so what is meant by this? This is what the thing. So 1, 45,000, 2, 50,000, 3, 60,000 up to etc. 10,000, 10 lakh or something. So likewise, all the data points has been plotted. Now, what the algorithm will do to predict the future? Okay, future in the sense, if person level is 12, what is going to be the salary? If the person level is 5.5, what is the salary? That's what the prediction. So what is the thing is, now we are going to take one algorithm which is called linear regression, how it will works. So that's what the thing which you are going to cover right now. Now, you just see, let me show you how the algorithm works. Whenever we are talking about that linear regression, which is like drawing a line. But what is the problem is, line can be drawn like this, right? line can be drawn like this, right? Line can be drawn like this. But what is the goal is, the line should cover the maximum data point as much it can. Do you really think these lines are covering the maximum data point? Just tell me yes or no. No, right? If you are seeing this line fixed, not covering these data points and all, this one and all. It is covering only these points. So it is not a best fit line. So major focus is to draw a best fit line. So you just see, tada! Now can you call this is a best fit line? Exactly, right? Because it really covers all the maximum data points as much it can. So that's what the best fit line. So this is the job of the linear regression algorithm. Because once you have drawn the best fit line, it's very simple to predict the future. Because now the question is, what is the salary of the person whose level is 12? If this is the question, it's very simple to predict the future. You just imagine, now the question is, if the level is 12, what is going to be the salary? If that is the task, it's very simple. What it will do is, it will draw one straight line from the x-axis from the 12, and it will draw a straight line to the y-axis to predict the future. So here this y-axis will strike out in a certain salary. That salary which is gonna be around 12 lakh or 15 lakh or something. So that is what the linear regression algorithm, that's what the machine learning, that's how the machine learning algorithm will work. So guys, if you really love machine learning, you just post love ML in your lecture, guys. So to draw this best fit line, that is what the job of algorithms. So here drawing a line, straight line is nothing but y is equals to mx plus c. That is what the formula. And here the first point is slope. Okay, just write the formula. Let me write the formula here. Y is equals to mx plus c. So while talking about this y is equals to mx plus c, m is nothing but a slope. What is meant by a slope? Because the line can be drawn in a different way. The line can be inclined like, line can be drawn like this, line can be drawn like this, the angle, the inclination. So this is known as our m. Okay, so our slope, this is what our slope is going to be. Whereas that line which is getting intersected with your y-axis, okay, that is known as c, the intercept. That is what mx plus c. So you don't want to do, or you don't want to apply this kind of mathematics to solve this problem. The algorithm will do it. Ta-da! This is what the equation is all about. Can you see that? So m, which is a slope, and c is an intercept. So this is what the formula, m is equal to summation of x minus x dash, y minus x dash. This formula which is all been carried over by the math, carried over by this algorithm itself. This math will be carried over by itself. So here x is nothing but your x-axis. You already know this. You have this level, and y is nothing but your salary, which is what this y is all about, and x dash, which is nothing but 3, which is a mean of it. Mean means all values, sum of all values divided by the total number of value, which is like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 5, because number of values were 5, and 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 5, which is mean of y, which is y dash. This is x dash and this is y dash, and x minus x dash is nothing but 1 minus 3, which is minus 2, and 2 minus 3, which is minus 1, and 3 minus 3, which is 0. That's what x minus x dash. And same as like y minus y dash, which is 3 minus 3.6, which is minus 3 0.6, and 4 minus 3.6, which is 0.4. So that's what y minus y dash. And x minus x dash the whole square, which is minus 2 the whole square, which is 4, and minus 1 the whole square, which is 1, and 1 the whole square is 1, and x minus x dash multiples of y minus y dash, which is the product of this two, minus 2 multiples of minus 0.6, this is 1.2. So likewise, this math will be applied, and this is what the whole m will be calculated, and c also will be calculated by through the formula. Then finally we'll be getting y is equals to mx plus c. So m for you'll be getting 0.4, and c is for 2.4. That's what you have got. And once you have got that, so whenever new x has been there, so it is going to be passed into the equation so that prediction of future value will be done. So guys, this the math is easy. If it is really feeling like it's easy, you just post easy in your lecture, guys. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this project in the machine learning code. Okay, don't worry, you will be learning about this project in detail on the upcoming days. But now I will be showing you this way. Okay, I'm going to upload now the huge data set, which is not a simple data, which is a huge data. I'm going to show you the final demo. Let me show you this. This is the data set. Based on the house price area, we are going to predict the house price, which is very huge data set, which is having around 1400 rows. So in the machine learning, we have loaded the data set. By using a pandas library, we are loading the data and we are summarizing it. And now when we are visualizing it, so you can see how the data is are really looking like, how the data has been plotted like this. So this is how the data which has been plotted. And now we are going to take only x, which is nothing but your area. That's what your x column which is all about. I mean area column. That's what the area column we have got. And now we have got the y column, which is nothing but your price. So that's what your y column is all about. And once you have got x and then y, now we are using a linear regression algorithm. So I'm going to run this. So model.fit, which is going to train the train the data. And once it got trained, if I'm giving some new area for this for prediction, for an example, if the house price area is 9,996, so if I'm running this by through the model.predict function, automatically it is giving an output like 1,79,000 is the price of the land. Guys, is it amazing? If it is super amazing, guys, you just super amazing, Sanjay in your chat. This is how our teaching methodology will be. Today I am not feeling well. I caught up with cold and fever. That's why I have not shown that much energy to deliver the concept. But other than that, if you really enjoyed this technical part of the session, you just post I enjoyed Sanjay in your live chat. And another very important thing, only few minutes were left to register for the 3-month online internship on the generative AI. Those people who haven't made the decision, you can make the decision right now. And also like if you are really interested in it, if you are under the process, you just post under the process and Janila chat, because those people who have enrolled for the 3-month online internship, you are gonna be part of this private social media. So in this private social media, you can complete all the tasks which we are scheduling, and if you are facing any problem, we will be helping you to solve that problem as well. So that is what this generative AI private social media which is out there. So this private social media also you will be getting it with the lifetime access. So with no extra charges, and also people who are registered for the 3-month online internship at 999, you are going to get some freelancing live session. How many of you people are really like, Sanjay, I wanted Sanjay, I want to create another source of income. If you are interested in it, you just post interested Sanjay in your live chat. So if you are here, I'm going to show you on a graph between age and then salary. If your age is 25, you should have make 10 LPA. If your age is 27, you should have make 20 LPA. If your age is 30, you should have make 40 LPA. If your age is 33, you should have make 60 LPA, and 36, 80 LPA, and 40, 1 crore PA. So you should have started making another source of income, guys. That's what people are really not aware about it. So you should make another source of income. So people who really interested in creating another source of income, we are going to conduct the freelancing live session. Those people who are all interested on freelancing, this live session will be conducted. So because this Warriorsway community is not only going to train you in technical stuffs, it is going to train you in all other skills which you really wanted. So those people who have enrolling for the 3-month online internship, this freelancing live session will be conducted. This is also going to be absolutely free. So people who haven't made the decision, you can make the decision for it. And how to make a resume effectively, because people who are not making a resume, they are not getting a selection in the first round of interviews. So that's why how to make a resume effectively based on ATS tools, that resume building live session will be conducted. That's also going to be free. That's also going to be included in this 3-month online internship. And apart from that, how to manage your finance effectively, because managing money is more important than making money. How to be aware about the stock market, mutual funds, and those things. That kind of live session will be conducted. That's also going to be free for the people who have enrolled for the 3-month online internship. And how to prepare for an interview. So interview preparation live session will be conducted. How to communicate, communication skills. Likewise, a lot of bonus sessions will be conducted. That's also going to be included in this 3-month online internship on Generative AI. That's also going to be absolutely free. And how to set your goals effectively. So that goal setting live session will be conducted. That goal setting live session also going to be absolutely free. So likewise, this bundle, which is in the huge value of all the 5 courses and all the PPT, PDF, mind map, and source code on all the recordings, and 5 individual internship certificate and 3-month internship offer letter, and your name inside this page, and private social media and lifetime validity, everything which is included in all these bundle. Those people who haven't made the decision, this is the last and final chance, because after long days we have launched this Generative AI program. That's why we have given it in just rupees of 999 rupees. Once this countdown with 0, price will be changing into which is 7,800 rupees. So those people who really want right now in this price, this is the right time to get it at just rupees of 999, guys. Okay. So hope you are clear with this, guys. If you are clear with this, you just post clear Sanjay in your live chat. Author has not added any sections. Yes, it will be added on the upcoming days, because I've already mentioned the date when it is going to be launched. So that is all will be added into the bundle. And apart from that, mindset coaching will be given. So that mindset coaching will also be given for you with a lifetime validity. That type of live training will also be conducted. So, and another very important thing, whenever you are talking about the mindset and all, why it is important, it is very important if you really want to check out that. So go and check that out by typing iceberg model of competencies in the Google, so that you'll be getting to know about why mindset is very important than a technical skills. Because here knowledge and skills are easy to change, but other things are harder to change. That's why mindset is very important. The mindset training will also be conducted. That's also going to be absolutely free. And apart from that, if you are really summing it up, the total value will be around more than 55,000. But people who are registering within this 90 minutes, you are going to get everything with just rupees of 999 rupees with a lifetime validity. And while talking about the frequently asked questions, Lanjay, I don't know anything. Can I start this or not? Yes, of course, because we have a people from even 8th standard. Yes. Even if 8th standard student can able to complete our courses, you can also most definitely complete the courses, because daily you can just spend 1 hour time to learn about it. You can master these things within a month or something. So it is very, very easy to complete. So if 8th standard student can able to complete our courses, you can also most definitely complete our courses. So that's a very important thing. And I'm from different department. Can I start this? Yes. Even though you are from any department, you can start these courses. So this is completely from the scratch. You can complete it. And when will this internship start? Once your payment has been done, it's up to you. You can start your courses anytime you really want it, guys. So you can go through it. So that's a very important thing. So because you don't want to complete within a 3 month, you can start this anytime you really want. You can complete anytime you really want. Is it a lifetime validity? Yes. All the courses are lifetime validity. You can just start it anytime. You can complete it anytime you really want. And is it just a recorded courses, guys? Apart from the 5 courses recording, you'll get some live sessions as well. You can start this live sessions as well. That's a very important thing. And how how can I clear my doubts? You can clear your doubts by raising your questions in the community, and also you can raise your questions whenever the live session is being conducted. You can raise your questions. I done the payment. What's next, guys? Once you have done the payment, what you should do is, all people just follow this procedure. All people need to visit this learn.pantechsolutions.net, the portal, and just simply click login button. And once you have clicked the login button, here it is going to ask an email ID. And here, while doing that triple line payment, you have given an email ID, right? Just give the same email ID. And while talking about the password, you don't know the password, right? So simply click forget password and reset it. Once you have resetted your password, you will get your courses, guys. Okay, are you clear? And for an example, now Generative AI is already in updation, so video will be updated on upcoming days, and remaining 4 courses will be updated as per the commitment, the days which you have already told you. And another very important thing, if you are really having a confusion, Sanjay, how can we trust you? Because I would like to show you this proof that how many students there in our community. We have around 63,985 students there in our community, guys. So look out that it is really a huge count, not a 10,000 or 20,000 students, which is 63,000 students there in our community. So it is not a small community. So if you really wanted to be in this community, this is the right time to join in our community. So make the decision before the time ends. And also in the Generative AI, once you have opened the Generative AI, you can go and check that out. This download now section to download all the materials, and private community link to join in the private social media, which I've talked about. So that is what all the link which is out there. Go and check that out, guys. And I hope you really enjoyed this session. So now it's time for the attendance. Are you guys ready to fill up an attendance? If you are ready to fill up an attendance, you just post ready Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, so now my team will give you or will send you a mail, okay, about this attendance link. All people open your email with the registered email which you are registered for this event. So go open your mail and click that link and fill up your attendance, guys. Okay, it will take some few minutes to send. My team will be sending you right now. So all people just go and open your email. If that mail received in spam folder, please go and check that out. Okay, please go and check that out. Okay, spam folders and those things, spam folders or promotion tabs, go and check out these things in other categories and then find out the mail, and please fill up that attendance form, guys. Okay, hope you are clear. And also free course which you are going to get is the brain computer interface course. That is the course which I am going to give it for free. So sharply at 9:50, my team will be giving you one form in the live chat. So you should fill up that form to get that BCA course for free. I think my team will be sharing you. So those people who really want that course for free, so you should fill up that form to get that BCA course for free. Okay, other than that, I hope you really enjoyed the session. From tomorrow, it is going to be kicking starting on generative AI concepts. I hope you really enjoyed today. So those people who really haven't made the decision, make the decision right now before the timer ends. So other than that, thank you so much for all the love, all the support, all the interaction which you have did throughout the live session, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you really enjoyed it, you just post enjoyed Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, are you all really enjoying? If you are really enjoying, you just post I'm enjoying Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, are you guys are really enjoying about it? If you are really enjoyed the session, you just post I enjoyed Sanjay in your live chat. So other than that, thank you so much once again for attending this kind of live sessions. So and also don't forget, my team will be giving you an attendance link in the live chat. Attendance which has been sent to you through an email. Please go and check out your email and fill up your attendance, and free course link will be given in the live chat as well. You just want to click that link and fill up the form to get your free course as well, guys. So what I'll do is for 30 minutes, okay, for 30 minutes I'll be putting this live I'll be putting that live offer for a few minutes, for the 30 minutes. So those people who really want this offer, this is the last and final chance to get into it. The complete recording you will be getting, and complete material you will be getting, everything you will be getting with a lifetime validity. And also people who are interested in only on AI and data science. Sanjay, now I wanted to master artificial intelligence and those things. I don't want I don't want that generative. I don't want this generative AI. But now, for now, I want artificial intelligence and generative AI, artificial intelligence and data analysis or data science. If you are interested in AI and data science instead of generative AI thing, so another 3-month internship is also going on, which is 3-month internship on AI and data science, where it is also having a 5 courses, but this 5 courses is completely different. Where 30 days AI course, 30 days machine learning course, 30 hours data analytics course, 30 Python 10 hours course, and deep learning 30 hours course. So likewise, for this also you'll be getting a 5 courses, video recording, PPT, mind map, source code, dataset, trained model file with a lifetime validity, and 3-month internship certificate on AI and data science, 3-month internship offer letter on AI and data science, and also you'll be getting a 3-month individual certificate like AI internship certificate, machine learning internship certificate. So likewise, here we have 2 offers there right now. One is 3-month internship on generative AI, another one is 3-month internship on AI and data science. So those people who are interested in anything, you can choose your option. So if you are interested, my team have given the link in the live chat. You can click that link and register for it. So other than that, I hope you really enjoyed the session. If you are really enjoyed the session, you just post enjoyed Sanjay in your live chat. So guys, even if you haven't received your email, please go and check your mail in a spam folder or promotion tab. In your registered email we have sent you, so please go and check your email in spam folders and promotion tab. So of mail which has been sent to you guys, so it will take some time. Wait until 8:50, definitely will be sent to you guys. If you really want to get it, so go and check this out. So here, if other than that, if you are interested in generative AI 3-month internship, which has been provided at 999 rupees, but those people who are wanted to register a 3-month internship on AI and data science, you can able to get it at 1499. This is what the offer which is going on. People who really want it, the complete recording, who don't want to miss the live sessions, recordings and all, this is the right time. And also people who are paid money, great, congratulations guys. Tomorrow you'll be getting an offer letter. And another very important thing, those people who are registered for the, who are paid money, you don't want to, you don't want to attend free live and all. So no worry. So other than that, I hope you really enjoyed. So if you really enjoyed, you just post I enjoyed Sanjay in your live chat. So first of all, thank you so much for all the love and support which you are given. Thank you so much once again. And also please wait until 8:50 guys. Still, if you haven't received your email attendance link in an email, so my team will be sending you another alternative way. So other than that, now I'm not feeling well, so that's why I'm really winding off the session right now. I hope you won't mind, but other than that, I have added an immense value to you. If you really enjoyed the session, you just post your comments in the live chat. So thank you so much guys. Thank you so much Sindhuja. Thank you Aditi. Thank you Shrisha. Thank you Radhika. Thank you Puvital. Thank you Balu. Thank you Preeti. Thank you. And thank you Neelambari. Thank you. And Aditi. Thank you. Abhishek. Thank you. Yishan. Thank you. And CryptoLutz. Thank you. Kausalya. Thank you. And Parimala. Thank you. So thank you so much guys. Thank you so much once again for all the love, all the support, all the interaction which you are given throughout the live session. Thank you once again. It's me Sanjay signing off. Until then, bye. We'll see you on the tomorrow session by the Preetham. Okay. So thank you so much guys. We'll see you soon in our Inner Circle community.